Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE that has been smiling all the way to the bank this week. A third straight session of gains. It did also get a rally handover from the Asian markets overnight. So we do have the all share there with a gain of almost 0.7%. The resources 10 complex back in the green after 2 days of being in the red. They're advancing almost 1.5%. Industrial 25 extending the gains that we have seen this week with a gain of more than 1%, but backing that overall trend is the financial 15. They're under pressure by almost 0.4%. Let's take a look at what is happening with markets in the US. And of course, over there, we are awaiting that US GDP print, but also the PCE inflation that is coming out on Friday. But of course, markets looking to earnings on that front. Actually, more than a quarter of S&P 500 companies have posted results, and 79 of them have come out with earnings beats. On the other side of the spectrum, Tesla earnings came out last night, surprising to the downside, but we did see that share price rising there. But a sea of red, S&P 500 declining almost 0.1%. A slight loss on the NASDAQ, 0.06% below that flat line, and the Dow declining almost 0.5%. Let's take a look at what is happening with markets across the Atlantic. And of course, over there, investors also digesting some earnings. We did have luxury brand Kering having investors selling off the stock there after warning of softer demand for Gucci, and the brand expects a sharp decline in first half profits. We also did have Volvo Cars' shares also slumping after surprising to the downside on revenue. So not good news on that front. FTSE 100 slightly down 0.05%. The CAC 40 they're shedding 0.25%, and a slump on the DAX of more than 0.33%.